Neither blank acceptable to me. Alin sa dalawa ang tama? Tandaan nyo na kapag meron kayong neither o kaya naman either, okay, as your subject sa sentence, ang laging agreement niya, singular. So, the right sentence is neither was acceptable to me. Same as either was acceptable to me. Tandaan nyo na dapat neither or either lang yung nandyan. Walang neither nor, walang either or. Kasi kapag meron na silang kapartner, neither, kapartner niya nor, or either, kapartner niya or, nagiging correlative conjunctions na sila. At kapag correlative conjunctions, may pinagdudugtong yan na dalawang subjects. Therefore, iba na yung rule natin doon. Yun yung lagi kong tinuturo sa inyo na proximity rule. Kung alin yung mas malapit, yun yung pagbabasihan ng agreement. Which ang dami na natin naging examples dito.